Definitely, AI is definitely not a poison at all. It's a great opportunity for us to leverage this, and there is nothing to worry because the biggest, superpower if any human being has, that's his own self. We are our own superpower, and it's totally up to us that how well we want to utilize artificial intelligence to the benefit of society at large, and it gives us a beautiful opportunity to better the efficiency, make things much sharper, better, faster. So definitely it's a plus plus.
And what's your ideal vision for advertising in 2030?
Advertising in 2030, 5 years from now. So one of the big things that we have is a big deficit on the trust side. So even the younger generations and all those people would look forward to more trustworthy medium, even to see the advertising upon, because there is so much happening into the social space. You really can't trust, who is the right one to go with and who is not the right one. Secondly, I think it's going to be more and more personalized. That's my very clear thinking, because no more there is a value in spraying and praying. So we clearly know we live into a data-driven world, and we clearly know that these are the people who particularly like this kind of subject. So why don't we go out and something personalized for them? And secondly, it's going to be more immersive, I think, with this whole data speeds becoming even faster, people spending more and more time on, better devices and all that stuff. So there'll be opportunities to do something, which is really multimedia, or even more than multimedia, because now with the age of AI, things are going to, advance even more at a faster pace.